What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your video settings or video privacy settings in Vimeo. So first you need to log in with your Vimeo account, and then when you are redirected to the home page, you just need to click on library. After clicking on library, you just need to select the video privacy, and for that you just need to select the video. For selecting the video, you need to click on the video title, and after that this will open the video settings. So from here you need to scroll a bit down, and then when you can't see a privacy section here on the right side at the top, you can see the share icon. Click on this, and then from here you will open a pop-up from here. In the link privacy section, you need to click on it once, and then here you can set it to private. And after that, here are some multiple options to just unlist password or hide from Vimeo, but you need to upgrade for it. You can only choose public and private in the free version. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.